Right-click MATLAB, right-click again, run as administrator. Click on Add-ons, click on MathWorks, find Simulink support package for Arduino hardware, or search for Arduino. Simulink support package for Arduino. Install. Accept. Next. If you have the hardware, click Setup Now. If not, Setup Later. Close window. Take note of your directory MATLAB starts in. It should be a Documents MATLAB folder. Create another folder called Compile and append the version of MATLAB you're using, in this case 20B. Copy the path to this file you created in your Documents MATLAB folder called Compile. Go to Preferences, Simulink, open Simulink Preferences, General. Paste this path into the cache and code generation folder. This way all the code it creates when it compiles files will go inside this folder no matter what your MATLAB directory is. Helps keep your files organized. Go back to the MATLAB folder. Click Add-ons. In the search window, type RASPLib, R-A-S-P-L-I-B. Find Rensselaer Arduino Support Package Library. Click it. Add to MATLAB. Close this. That is the Simulink support package installation, the creation of a compilation folder, and the installation of RASPLib. Now you can test your hardware. Click the Add-ons menu to manage add-ons. In the Rensselaer Arduino support package library, click and then Open Folder. This brings you to the location of the library. Go into the RASPLib folder, into the Examples folder, and find the demo file for your system. This hardware is an Arduino Mega, the MinSeg Mega, and the demo file is demo MinSeg Mega V4. Open this demo file. Some demo files will require that you specify the COM port, so you can go to Prepare, Hardware Settings. You can also access this by right-clicking and going to Model Configuration Parameters. If you have to specify the COM port, you go to Hardware Implementation, Target Hardware Resources, Host Board Connection. To know if you need to, go to the Device Manager, Windows key Device, and then open up Device Manager. Devices will appear in this COM ports. Our device is not plugged in, so we will plug in our device. It shows up as an Arduino Mega. If it shows up as Arduino Mega, we do not have to specify it. Automatically will work. If you do have to specify it, you can click on Manually and then enter the COM number for the Arduino that you plugged in. Go to Run on Hardware, click the Monitor and Tune button. The code will compile and download to the device. As it's compiling, you can click on the View Diagnostics tab to watch the progress. Once it's done compiling, it will show you how much memory it uses, indicate that it's compiled successfully, and then it will attempt to connect to the device. Once it's connected, it will start reading all of the sensors. If we rotate and move the device, we can see that the gyroscope and accelerometer are being read. In addition, the magnetometer and potentiometer also work. Potentiometer. And if we turn the motor driver on, both wheels are turning and both encoders are being read as it turns. Anytime you need to verify that your hardware is working, you can run this demo file and make sure you are getting all the data from the system and everything is working. You can always locate the demo files by going to Add-ons, Manage Add-ons, Rensselaer Arduino Support Package, Open Folder. Inside that folder, going to RASPLib and in the examples. Whenever you start a new project, it's convenient to copy this demo file to your Documents MATLAB folder. That's where you want to keep all of your project files. And you can use this file as a starting point for any of the labs that you might do. You can remove any blocks you won't be needing. For example, if we only need the magnetometer, encoder, and one motor, I can get rid of all the other items not needed. And then add any block and logic that I need from there. Notice when it ran the previous file, it created a bunch of compilation files in the compile folder. This is nice because it keeps all of these extra files in a location and doesn't create files all over our computer. You can occasionally delete all of these